Hello! Today I will show you how to change ringtone and notification sounds on Motorola Edge 70. So, at the beginning, let's open the Settings app. You can use the icon on the general screen or from the upper menu. Just swipe down twice and then you will find the icon. Tap on it. Okay, here move a little bit down and choose Sound and Vibration chapter. Here scroll down one more time and you will find Phone Ringtone and Default Notification Sound parts. You can choose Phone Ringtone for SIM card, for your eSIM, and also for notification. So, when we will choose the sound, we will hear it before accept it. If you want change ringtone or notification sound silently, just put your device into the mute mode. And now we can choose the sound without hearing it before. So now you know how to change ringtone and notification sounds on Motorola Edge 70. Thank you for watching, subscribe our channel, and goodbye!